Nature is our life. Clean air, pure water, green forest, and a healthy environment are precious gifts that sustain all living beings. To promote environmental awareness and encourage responsible action towards nature, Government Primary School Taksan Kaisale proudly organized a series of run-up activities from 26th May to 5th June 2026 on the occasion of World Environment Day. Following the vision of Mission Life, Lifestyle for Environment, our students, teachers and staff came together with one common message: save water, save energy, save environment, save future. Through various educational, creative and environmental activities, we spread awareness about protecting our planet and building a sustainable future. The celebration began on 26th May with a special awareness program during the morning assembly. Students learned about environmental challenges such as pollution, climate change, water scarcity, and deforestation. They also took a pledge to protect nature, reduce plastic use, conserve water and energy, and keep their surroundings clean. Drawing and poster making competition. Students enthusiastically participated in drawing and poster making competition. Through colorful artwork and creative ideas, they expressed their concern for Mother Earth and conveyed powerful messages on environmental protection, water conservation, tree plantation, waste management, renewable energy, and climate action. Waste paper recycling activity. One of the most innovative and educational activities conducted during the program was the waste paper recycling activity. Students collected waste paper from classrooms and offices. The used paper were carefully torn into small pieces and soaked in water. The following day, the softened paper was blended into a pulp mixer and sprayed onto frames to create handmade recycled chart papers. Using the eco-friendly chart papers, students prepared drawings, posters, environmental messages, and creative art projects. This activity taught students the importance of the three R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle, and demonstrated how waste materials can be transformed into useful resources, helping to reduce environmental pollution and conserve natural resources. Role play activity. Our young learners presented meaningful role play depicting various environmental issues such as pollution, deforestation, water scarcity, and global warming. Through the performances, students highlighted the consequences of human negligence and inspired everyone to take responsibility for protecting our environment. Awareness rally and campaign. Students actively participated in awareness rallies carrying placards and environmental slogans. The campaign spread important messages among the community. Say no to plastic, save water, every drop counts, plant trees, save earth, save energy for a better tomorrow. The rally encouraged people to adopt environmentally friendly habits in their daily lives. Plantation drive. As part of our green initiative, plantation activities were organized in and around the school campus. Students planted saplings with enthusiasm and pledged to nurture and protect them. Every tree planted today represents hope for a greener, healthier, and more sustainable future. Mission Life message. Mission Life teaches us that simply daily actions can create a significant positive impact on the environment. Switching off unnecessary lights and fans, saving water, reducing waste, reusing material, avoiding single-use plastics, and keeping our surroundings clean are small steps that can make a big difference. Together, this action helps create a sustainable lifestyle and a better future for coming generations. Teachers and students' participation. The active participation of students, teachers, staff members, and the local community made this program a great success. Their dedication and enthusiasm reflected a shared commitment toward environmental conservation and responsible citizenship. World Environment Day is not merely a celebration. It is a reminder that protecting nature is our collective responsibility. Every drop of water saved, every unit of energy conserved, every tree planted, and every piece of waste recycled contributes towards a healthier planet. Let us continue to work together to build a greener, cleaner, and more sustainable earth for future generations. Save water, save energy, save environment, live sustainably. Happy World Environment Day 2026.